That was a return from the technician, broken.
No, but there is no things.
He's testing them. At the back there, you wanna go?
No, it's all right.
Over there.
Is it working? It's working.
Over there. Okay, punong-puno ang aming tricycle. Ayan guys.
$4.50, okay?
Oh yeah, so that's Avocadoria, Crazy Tori, and we have Kohimaju. Ayan guys, this is the and we eat here in Sushi Cakery. Yeah. Okay.
Coffee shop there.
Oo. So ayan, SM newly open. Ayan, all restaurants on this side. This is in the north side, in the new building. Hadto to, hadto di amo lang na. But it's a lot of things you can do.
I mean,
Yeah.
upcoming coffee shop.
What else?
SM shop straight across it.
Across the road. So that goes to the department store. And this one has a door to the road over there. Yeah. So guys, come over in the new side of the north side. This is a new building. Second floor is a car park, and I think there's a school up the top. No?
I think so.
There is a college on the top. So here we are in the new part of SM. It's really nice, guys. It's very quiet so far at the moment because I don't think many people knew that they exist. So come over before they get filled out. Andan no? So dito kami sa Sushi Bakery. Cakery. Good morning everybody. So guys, ito na tayo. Napalagay na natin yung inverter na 1.5 horsepower. Ito siya guys. So this is it. Ayan na siya. We can feel the ano. So linagay na natin kasi medyo mag-summer na guys dito. So ayan siya. Boston Bay split type air conditioner. Ayan. So split type yung tawag or inverter, DC inverter siya guys. Ayan. DC inverter. So hanggang dito yung bigay niya ng hangin hanggang dito sa stairs kasi medyo mainit dito pag bumaba ka. Tapos ito yung mga boxes na inanuhan nila. So this one is 1.5 horsepower. Ito siya guys. So ayan. So kailangan natin ang box ilalagay sa ano. So yung blow ng hangin hanggang dito. Ito. Mafe-feel mo yung blow ng hangin dito which is really good. So mag-prepare. Ay nakalinis na ako guys this morning kasi hindi naman masyadong marami ang linisan. So, ayan, nakaplasta na yung lutuan natin. Ayun, and then, actually, may pagkain kami sa taas. Kasi kahapon nagluto kami. So, we got the food there. Try ko lang guys kung ano na ang nakarating dyan ang pagkain, ano na siya. So, we got enough. So, gagawa lang ako ng ice. Mayroon pa. So, okay pa yan. Hindi pa tayo gagawa. Okay. So, ito ay binigay ni neighbor para sa kaibigan namin. Dadaanan nila mamaya, guys. So, okay na yan. May spare tayo na eggs. Tapos, actually, marami pa tayong mga spare na ano. Dapat kunin na to ni daddy dito guys, pero hinihingi niya. Hindi ko alam kung ano. So it's a very happy day for us kasi natapos na siya. It took only 3 hours to put it, pero yung plug binili pa namin. So nagbili kami on that night, tapos yesterday afternoon pa siya nalagay. So ayan guys, so yung plug niya, ayan. May dala siya na anong tawag? Yung safety switch. Ayan. So, lahat sila ng mga inverter sa buong bahay ay may safety switch. So, kailangan natin ng another one dito sa bedroom. So, bibigyan pa natin ng ano. Pag makalabas kami, bibili ulit ako. Dito nila ilalagay yan. Dito nila ilalagay. So, dito siguro sa gitna. Ayan. So, anyway. Yeah. So, we'll see. Mabili pa tayo, guys. Bilhin natin yan. And then, nagbili tayo ng ano ito, guys. Oh. Yung ventilation. Ayan. For the, sa mga bedrooms. Ayan. Kailangan natin ng ventilation fan. Ilalagay siya sa toilet area ng bedroom na to at saka yung bedroom sa kabila. Ayan. We got 2 bedrooms here. One here and one at the bottom. So dito natin siya ilalagay sa sa side na yan. So mag-blow siya ng air. O diba? So, I think dalawa lang yung kailangan natin, but we need another inverter here. Dito, bili pa tayo. Pag may time kami today, bili tayo. Okay guys, kain tayo. Ito ang ating pagkain. We have prawns, we have dried fish, and we have rice. So, let's eat. Umalis na yung bisita natin guys. Tapos, nakalinis na tayo. At saka wala namang tao sa sa shop. Ayan, nagmo-monitor lang tayo sa sa camera. So kakain muna tayo guys para na okay. So ito, let's eat. Tahimik ang life. Ayan. Yan ginamit ko, nagluto ako ng walang tao guys. May tumatahol na aso. Normally, pag may tumatahol na aso, may tao na dumadaan. So, kipanay lang tayo sa camera. Wala naman siguro. Wala. Sige. Okay guys, let's eat. Kain tayo muna guys. Okay, so we have this. Alright. Kakuha tayo ng puro lahat outdoor. Kain tayo. Ayan. So, nag-soak lang ako ng pot. Kasi nagluto ako guys ng prawns. Binili namin kahapon. Siya. It was 800 pesos. 800 pesos siya guys, 2 kilo. Sige, kain na talaga tayo guys. Let's eat. Hi guys, today it's been a good day kasi may aircon na tayo. Pag uminit, we can turn it on. Ayan. Turn on natin ulit guys. So, aalis kami. Mag-grocery kami ulit guys kasi kulang na naman yung mga pinamili ko, naubos agad. So, we are going to do our grocery ulit. Marami na naman ang bibilhin. It's okay kasi kanina hindi ko siya guys nabili. So medyo na-delayed ako. Delayed reaction sa pagbili ng mga bibilhin. So I got a lot of meat.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.